What's good, rockers? It's your girl Nandile M, the billionaire's wife, and we are back again with another episode of Popular Chats. Hope you guys are gonna enjoy this episode. Hope you guys are good because I'm fabulous. Okay, so today I'm with Usia. You all know Usia and Anita. I will let them introduce themselves. Hello, Usia.
Hi, Minjan.
Ndiyaphila njani?
Right now, it's just another day.
Yeah.
Another dollar. You guys are speaking to Sia, aka Ali, Mr. Kredenziwe.
Okay.
Invented Kaku. Otherwise, nothing much, man. Just be here. Kumnando balapa. Let's go with you.
I'm good. I'm just fabulous. I'm just good. It's just like, yeah. Like, there's no change.
Yeah, bro.
Anita, how are you doing, baby girl? You look so pretty.
Because
You look so shy. Are you okay?
I'm good. I'm just nervous and all that. Never done this before, but
Yeah.
hoping for the best.
Yeah. Obviously.
Yeah.
Like, you're a smart woman. So most definitely you got this. Like, it's not into enzima. It's just you have to tell me what's pinned on your shirt. Uvuke ucinga like intoni le
Yeah,
ikutyayo namhlanje
I
okanye
get you.
ikonwabisayo. Yeah.
get you. Honestly, I'm just grateful to be here. Such a pleasure because I believe this mhlambi might open opportunities for me. See, like
Yeah.
ezinjalo.
Yeah.
Also, it's nice being here. It's a pleasure to me, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, baby girl. Thank you so much. Sia, what's pinned on your chat? I see that you have a glass in front of you.
Hey, no, Mongi Mali, lo yabo.
Ne. I see. You
After-
sit water.
Yabo na fit.
Ne?
After a good long weekend, yabo, you need water in your life.
Okay.
But I got a call for Zoch today. Zoch
Yeah.
was like, yeah, pull up to podcast.
Uzosibona.
Yeah, it's on the board.
I'm so glad.
Zovela. So,
Ndangiqala ukubona ke ngalamini wawukhona.
was it your first time meeting me?
Yes, and I didn't like it's so funny that I used to see Unati posting you or engaging with you on Facebook, but I never knew it was you. And the first time I met Tuzendaya, it was also on the podcast. I'm sorry, it was also on the podcast. I'm sorry, Tuzendaya, because I know she warned me and asked me not to ever talk about Usia in the same sentence. Naye. Yeah, but I'm trying to say, Bana, the same week in the bonus and I shoot was the same day, very same day that in the morning. Because remember, the figure Facebook, I was not when I'm down Facebook. Yabo. So abantu abaninzi bendibazi ebusweni but ngalazi igama ndingayazi content yakhe. So when I met uZendaya ndimbuza nje ba like udume ngantoni, utrenda ngantoni, what did you mean uba uqhawula amasende?
Wait.
Wandicacisela kakuhle, but I still didn't know the person she was talking about, and then I met you, yabo, and then that was. But anyways, yeah, it's good to have you guys. I'm so glad to
Thank
have
you,
you.
thank you,
New
thank
faces.
you.
You guys are so beautiful. You're an amazing soul. So I want us to talk about talking to your partner, like umxelele ubana what you prefer sexually, like umxelele ba baby mna ndifuna uzunywa kanje mna. Okay, I'm so sorry to use that language because I think it sounds rude. Okay, but I want us to be serious.
Yeah.
Like, do you find it okay to like communicate with your partner, Ubana, this is how I prefer to be touched, this is how I prefer you to do it? Like,
Yeah.
do you think it's a good thing? Do you think iyayikhulisa a relationship londo leyo?
It's important ne ngendlela yoba funeke qala ufumane imvume kuye mhlawumbe zikhona izinto ezi-freaky
Yes.
nasty like esiye sizenze like yabo.
Yeah.
So anikwazi vele like ndenze into without yena mhlawumbe ndingamazi ba ucomfortable nalento ndizawuyenza na, and also funeke like ndifumane imvume kuye ba like is it okay if mhlawumbe ndingayenza into ethile, angaboni ngam mhlawumbe sensenza like into ethile then
Yes.
othuke ba because like yeah lento like I'm trying
Yeah.
to explain kakuhle
Yeah.
like ngendlela right ba how is it important ba uthethe nepartner yakho before like wenze izinto mhlawumbe mandithi
Yes. Yeah.
you know emlonyeni wakhe
Yeah.
yabo.
Yeah.
So xa ndizovele ndenze laa nto mhlawumbi yena akayiqhelanga laa nto like
Yes.
funeke ndiqale ndicommunicate naye uba how do you feel about
Oh
into
yeah.
enje if mhlawumbi I would do something like this like ungandinikeza like imvume for me to do it and are you comfortable with
With me
it
doing it,
then mna
yeah.
ndizova kuye uba yena uziva njani
Yes.
yabo I think into yenza i-relationship kakhulu you know communication
Yeah.
no noba ipartner yakho i-comfortable kangakanani ngale nto uzoyenza like nizoyenza noba yi-two yeah.
So,
Yeah, I
so-
get you.
so what's the freakiest thing you've ever done during sex? The freakiest. I'm not talking about splitting now. The freakiest thing you've ever done.
Sure. Can we yeah.
No.
Just this is a safe
Say
place.
it, just
This
say
is a
it.
safe space.
Yo,
darling. You can just
yo, guys, yo. Yo, let's pass that one. Yo.
Pass, man.
Have you done it and you can't speak about it? Okanye, you are not that person.
Not
Shit.
that person. I
Is
have.
it?
I have.
You just don't want
I'm
to speak
not
about
gonna
it.
like DT. Okay, ndingumntu onje, but I have.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I
You just don't want to
I
speak
get
about
it.
it.
I get it.
Nah.
I get it. At some point, the things like that is the things that you only feel comfortable doing them with your partner. Okanye, when it's only your partner who knows about them. Okanye, who knows that side of you.
Yeah.
I understand you. And
Sometimes
then,
you don't have to expose yourself like that because
Yeah.
mhlawumbi abanye abantu
Abakuboni
won't look at you the
kanjalo.
same after
Okay,
mhlawumbi you
okay,
expose yourself
okay.
ngale ndlela injalo
yeah,
yabo.
I
Yeah.
understand. I understand.
Yeah.
And then what's with the question? Because you have something nasty that you have done with your partner.
No, I was just asking.
Something freaky.
Since we're here, so I thought I might as well ask. Yeah, otherwise,
Yeah.
nothing.
Okay. Would you
Yeah.
be comfortable if your partner
Yes.
or tells you, Obana, see, this is how I prefer to be touched, cela sizenze kanje and stuff like that? Would you be offended? Would you be sad?
No. If like young about okay, I prefer it like kanje
Yeah.
or kanje. No.
What if the things that you like doing is yena angazithandiyo?
Ekugqibeleni kaloku remember xa siyibhizi yabo funeka sobayi-2 sibe kule nto
Comfortable.
so
Yes.
now if mna ndizokwenza into endixolisa mna ndedwa wena
Okay.
ibingaxolisi so that's not fair. Yeah. Also it's not nice.
I understand.
Ndakazibeka satisfied.
Yes, and
Yeah.
that's
So that's the
that's
word I
what
was looking
leads
for.
to
Yeah.
cheating. Because now you have excuses like, oh, you were not doing it
There's no
good.
excuse for cheating.
There's no
kaloku xa ingakwenzi kakuhle umfana xa ingakuzume right
There's no
uzothi uba,
excuse. Still,
ubunganenzi kakuhle
that's not
and
an
you didn't
excuse.
even
But still,
communicate.
that's not an excuse for cheating.
Would
Like
you-
unga communicator naye.
would you
Ne?
would you
But okay.
cheat wena if umntu akakwenzi kakuhle? Would you go
No,
to someone else?
no, me Nandile Machaya, no, I have nothing, andinando isekuchameni mna. I'm sorry to put it like that. I really struggle with filter amazwi, yes guys.
Yeah.
I really struggle
Yeah.
to find good words.
And
that to-
ngamagama esiXhosa
Yes.
akho gama esizawuthini like
Yes,
sisiXhosa
I'm not even trying to be
sinjalo,
fun.
so,
Anando
yeah.
sekhameni mna because like most of the time mna I have an addiction. Like I masturbate a lot. Like I have an addiction. I
Damn.
masturbate a lot. Like it's not even
What's-
normal.
what's
you
a lot?
understand? So I can't when I choose a guy or when I'm in a relationship, squirting, coming are not really priorities because I can do that in my bed alone. You understand? It's really not a big deal for me. It's not something I really focus on. Or I'm like, okay, I need a part. I love him because he does this. It really doesn't matter. Like I can do this shit in 30 minutes. You understand? So when it comes to me, I don't really think I'm that sexually attractive or interested when
Yeah.
I'm in a
So
relationship.
ngoku, after you've masturbated and all that, like uyizive njani after like
Cho,
isazela nto like
and his soul and what the fuck were you doing, bitch? What the fuck were you doing? Wenza
because what
ntoni?
the fuck manyan,
Uthi unkonke
like what the fuck
ntoni
manyan? Like
uyenzayo?
why you
Bra, indlela endizisola ngayo. Now imagine now I was doing it with the guy. So most definitely ndizosola because what the hell were you doing? You understand?
So-
yeah.
So how many times do you do it a day?
Like maximum like 15 times.
A day?
15
Yes. I don't really put things on my
Nandile.
I don't really put stuff on my vagina like show me. It's like
I don't do that.
I don't really
I really
put
don't.
stuff.
Like I really don't. It's not about putting stuff, man, but
Okay, let's move on.
Available.
Yeah. So, guys, what do you think, Kwile? I want us to have a opinion. Sonke. I just
Yeah.
want us to have an opinion, Kulena, about in 90 days. Like, don't ba uthi ba, baby, we're gonna do this after 90 days. We're gonna do stuff after 90 days, like 3 months of waiting with your partner. Do you
Yeah.
think that's necessary, or it's important, or it makes a change in a relationship?
It is important, ne?
Yes.
Ngendlela yoba you have to get to know lo mntu ungena naye kule
Yeah.
relationship, ne? Ningaqalanga mhlambi naya ebhedini, because if naqala naye ebhedini, xa se ekubonisa ba ungumuntu onjani, uzawumana usothuka ba kanti ngumuntu onje lo mntu, like
Yeah.
ngumuntu onje. So ingase uqale before like umuntu enzele ungazuzisola bese ulalele nawe uqonda ba bendiyenzela ntoni into yolala naye ndibe mhlambi, because yabona xa ulala nomuntu kuyenzeka uba ukhethe feelings kanti ayiyo lento uyikhangelayo.
Yeah.
So laa nto I think icala uba mhlambi iyanceda uba ubomba okay mhlambi ninayo i-chemistry, ne?
Yeah.
Like niya-alayina na, like izipiriti zenu like ziyavana.
Yes.
Ungavele nje
Yeah,
ungene
I
mhlambi nomuntu
understand
like
you.
ubone, because
I understand.
ilantuza umuntu uzibona sengaphakathi emadini, yabo. So ingase ungene uyazi into uba siyavana nalo muntu, ndim-understanda kanje nawe understanda kanje,
Yeah.
uyabo.
Okay.
Iyanceda laa nto banoba mhlawumbi senixabene niyazi uba nizawudila kanjani nina
Yes.
nalaa nto nixabene ngayo, because niyazana niqale nake
Oh,
nabonda.
sispace sokwazana la 3 months.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I understand you. And then Sia,
Uh,
I'm always looking forward to your answers.
before that, yeah, I just wanna ask, like, since we have you ever had to put a guy in a situation where he has to go through the 90-day thingy,
Yeah, I have.
and it
Yeah,
worked?
it worked.
Uphi namhlanje?
Uphi namhlanje? Yo. Uphi namhlanje?
Are you guys still together?
Tatina? No.
That is a waste of 3 months.
Kaloku ima ngicacise ne. Ingxaki yayingenguye.
Okay.
It was me.
Okay.
It was you. You cheated.
Yayinguye. But indim andiyaba ndicacisa kakuhle na.
You cheated.
Anyways, nothing lasts forever.
Zange ndichithe ba ndichitha ne but
What you say, mistake?
Chomachita.
zange jonga man
a
zange
wrap, ladies
ndichithe
and
ne.
gentlemen.
And mamelani okay imachong mamela ne.
Oh.
Myo. Yo.
Sounds
Mama
like a
ingxaki
ninja.
abantu abaninzi ne bendisiya kulaa nto ba abantu abaninzi abasayenzi laa nto. So that's why sivele ubone ba so kule relationship qonda ba hayi man wena uyiyo le nto ndifunayo noba uhleli nawo mjongelo qonda ba like are you really the person that I want to spend the rest of my life with, like
But Chomi-
ungulo mntu.
You had 3 months of knowing that
Of
and
knowing,
deciding.
and I'm sure that did it.
Yes.
But
But
what
you
if
cheated.
ke ngoku
You shouldn't have done it.
but if kaloku ngoku kaloku uyatshintsha ngosemazini ndizawuthini
Okay.
hayi.
Back to your question, Nandile. My answer is no. It doesn't work that way. Yeah, that's this is not 2006, guys. This
Yeah,
is 2026, right?
Yeah.
So is that way I can meet someone today, Ngom? So it happens. It's not it's not
Yeah.
an official. We can
Yeah.
meet today, Ngom. So we smash. That's it.
Yeah. Le nto bendithi uba like ngoku
work.
ayisasebenzi
Nah, it
ngoku laa
doesn't
nto
work.
ayisasebenzi.
Doesn't
Yeah,
work.
me too. I think I sebenzi guys because ikhona into ba uwinwe eklabheni.
There we go.
And then uwinwe yi-love of your life yakho, like
Yeah.
i-soulmate yakho,
Yeah.
someone who uzibuza uba njengoba sidibene eklabheni, how did we end up? So
And yazi thina most of the time laa nto siyenza umfana xa singamfuni ncam.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Yenza xa
Yeah.
ndiyazi uba
Yeah,
mna
awufuni
John
ncam.
iyazi uba andikufuni mani wena but ndiyayi-enjoya
that is
i-attention
100% correct.
ndiyayi-enjoya i-attention yakho ukhona
Yes.
lo ndimcebisayo mhlawumbi ecaleni but wena I do enjoy your attention nezi zinto
Yes.
mhlawumbi undinikeza zona.
So it's not like awutswetshwa.
It's not like andithi no
Okanye awufuni
ndiyatswe-
utswetywa
no
ngoku.
andifuni
Utswetywa
utswetywa
nguwe.
nguye so ndisebenzisa laa nto uba no I still wanna get to know you better no ndibona uba okay mna nawe sizakwazana kanjani.
Good. Unyanisile. Oh, this girl is so
xa
smart.
ubuye bona like xa umntu uqomba yabona umntu xa umfuna nyani awudlali no-hard to get
Uyavuma.
uvele ube
Ngitsho
loose, uvele ube loose.
seyibhokisele
Ngokuya.
ku-Facebook.
Uqomba ndiyakufuna nami
Uyamfuna, uyangena.
lo ungamfuniyo uqomba okay
Screenshots.
attention yakho ndiyayithanda no uzamlindisa lana because
Yes.
uthi abe ekhona lecaleni ke ngoku
Ukuhencezayo.
yeah
Yes.
it's always like
So
that
yeah,
I'm
it
being
is
honest
that.
like I'm being honest like
Oh, God.
Niggas,
Ndikhuza.
don't
Mentally
fall for the
honest.
3 months shit. It doesn't
Hayi,
make anything.
ayisebenzi.
Uyamthwetywa lo muntu eceleni ngabantu
and
abamthwetyayo.
imagine 3 months yonke
Yo.
hayi
Oh, ndikhuza.
So moving forward, sise-relationship
ndikhuza.
njalo. Do you think, okay, for when, have you ever been in a toxic relationship?
Like,
Have you ever been in a toxic relationship?
come. Why is like?
Maybe she's been, maybe she relates. I don't know what's on her mind.
How do you describe toxic relationship?
Lapho niyalwa, niyabethana, nisikana amasende. Stuff like that. Stuff like that.
Stuff like that.
Yeah.
Oh, hypothetically speaking, Musi. Oh, yeah. I think I have.
You have.
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
Are you still in that relationship?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Not that I know of.
After that relationship, the toxic relationship ended, did you find it necessary to like take a break after your toxic relationship and like, I'm not gonna move on now, I just need time for myself, I need to deal with this thing by myself? Or you were just like, fuck it, man, my son are gone, let's move on? What happened? Like, do you find it necessary? Do you think it's an important thing to take a break after a toxic relationship?
It depends. It honestly depends. Yeah, well, because the experiences was fun. Yeah, but I was not given a chance to like take a break or relax or yeah, like I was not given a chance to, but. We were on the process. I made it work, yeah. But
Okay.
I find peace within me.
Okay.
You know, I went through younger like we
Yeah.
and then eventually I am where I am.
Yeah.
But lando yoba, okay, I took time off and did
Yeah.
this and I was not given a chance.
Okay.
No, yeah,
But
yeah.
you are good now.
I'm good.
Are you in a relationship?
No, I'm not. I'm not in a official relationship, but there
You're
is
seeing
someone.
someone,
anymore now.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good luck with that, baby. And then, baby girl, do you think it is important for someone to take a break after a toxic relationship?
Anit, what did you think of Landre Senzega, hypothetically speaking, back then?
Because he ended up blocking you.
Oh, I did.
oh yes you did
Oh,
yes,
yeah.
you did.
So what? So
I don't know, but like
You have to know.
know.
You have to know.
The two of you, but judging from stories kaZendaya, yayinguwe orongo,
Yeah.
and also
so when Wabonindo and then you went with it.
Yeah.
So when Wabonindo and then you went with it.
because kaloku wawungeke friend yam.
So I have to be your
Ngexesha.
friend, Uzuma man.
No, I'm not saying you have to be my friend, but zange ndisive iside lakho le story mna.
Uyasazi bo?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay.
So galanto leyana uZendaya wayithetha ngendlela yoba nguwe orongo.
Mm-hmm.
And then on social media thina sizube sibuza ba hayi
So anibuzi ki social media.
no,
ne?
we don't do that.
You just.
Sihamba nalento thina sivayo.
So if I would
So
say.
guys, this is
And
the
who's
great
that?
stories, guys.
So if I were to say Namhlanje, you sexually assaulted me, and then you social media, people will go with it.
Exactly, that's what happens. Like into yenzekayo.
You find it fair?
Uthi, it's not fair.
Okay.
And if mhlawumbe ubuyi-friend yami uzobona ba ndingumuntu othethelela amacala xa ndithethelela. If mhlawumbe kwakuthiwa into bana I knew ba what happened between the two of you, then nangazuyingena noyingena because kuyatshiwo kuthiwa into yabantu ababini ayingenwa.
There we go.
But yena the way owayiza ngayo yena the way awayiza ngayo wayiza ngendlela yoba nguwe orongo. And mna ngela xesha I don't think ndalibona iside lakho le story yabo, hence ndayithatha ngale ndlela ndayithatha ngayo
Okay.
yabo, because yena if yaqabela zange ayiveze ba mhlambi she did into enjeya kusiya okanye ntoni and andingumntu mna woba like ndibe ndibuza questions like ebemenze ntoni yena ntoni if usiya yena ufuna uphuma acacise azicacise yena ebantwini then it's fine then thina kukhona sizorealize ba no man
And Susan had the recordings actually. She had
recordings. No,
other
abantu barongo bubayithula. They both toxic. But I think into eyaziwa ngalanto yoba ilanto yoba ngathi mhlawumbe usiya wambetha phofu ayingathanga kuthiwa wambetha ne so ku Facebook once ibe into mhlawumbe idibene nento enokubetha phakathi iba into enkulu.
We go with
on
women.
your side. So
We side with women.
Like put it specifically, if it has no better on your guys' side, it becomes in the good.
Yeah.
Let's put it that way. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because when it comes to us,
it's and mna ndandingazi noba yi-2 ndandingazuthi ibingubani eberongo ibingubani ebengokara handahamba nale into nihamba nayo kwathiwa nguwe
minde izabande izobande
Yeah.
because
Let's save it for another day.
Anita didn't wait for the side le story lesibini information ayifumana kuze ndayo nesikhalo sikaZendaya wasiva and it was enough for her to stand with and support uZendaya uyabo. So and also you guys are two different people. You are not going to give the same information even if you have. You are not going to give the same energy nawe ube nala quzu noqhufuqhufu wo post and bring all the evidence, be it right or wrong, but now bungazukwazi uveza yonke into, so people were not going to know the real story except for you nigazwe story. So moving on guys, can we move on? Okay. Move on. Okay, taking a break after a toxic relationship is important.
I think zothetha ngam ne
Okay.
mna zange ndizathina ndahila during
our
been
relationship. To a toxic.
Yes.
Okay.
I healed during a relationship yam naye ndahila ngoku mna siki relationship naye ndagriva ndagcima ndazixelela biphelile le relationship.
Okay.
I was waiting for a moment for yena phinde enze into engazuyithanda nobincinci kangande ndamxelela no it's over like masiyeke
Okay.
like mama masiphume kuyo. I got in a relationship mna
After the toxic one.
after the toxic one because ndahila bendithi noba ndihleli naye ngiqomba oba wena ndikubekele ixesha elinga wena
Okay.
ndandiphumile kuye noba sihleli umuntu uhleli ucofa ifowuni yakhe.
So that was a
nonke
healing
nto.
process.
Yeah, ndahila mna kwakula relationship and to him yayiba ngathi mhlambi I was cheating on him. Kwakunezinto wayezenza that I didn't like. Eqoba xa ndizithetha naye ibe ngathi mhlambi ndiphambene okanye and wayendiveze ngathi mhlambi ndim umuntu toxic like ebantwini. Ibe ngathi mhlambi ndim lo toxic. Yena wayengazivezi into xa ndinozithetha izinto that he did. You know?
Drop the bomb.
Zithethe cho.
No.
Drop the bomb.
Yo,
Okay,
guys.
do you mind mentioning names?
No. I won't do that. Like
Akona hint nyana?
nah. But he was telling me what to wear.
Yo.
Oh.
Yeah. If ndinxibe into short uzoqhankqalaza. If mhlawumbe I'm about to order impahla kwa Shein then ndithi into bana okay mhlawumbe nimbonise ekhati yam excitement ba uyayibona imfitshane kangakanani lento uzayinxiba kuzawuthiwa yicherry kabani le inxibe kanje.
Damn.
Ndathula ndaziyeke zonto and then I was like yeah ne even like iitshomi zam ii-male friends zam ne zazingazandithethisi male friends zam zazingazandithethisi
Don't let male friends and female friends.
ima
No,
listen zazingazandithethisi zingandifoneli zingathini and I understand le ba okay nam if it was me bendingazoyithanda but come on andinongathethi like nomuntu endiqhele uthetha naye sithetha izinto ezinoma like you can see by le conversation ngabantu ababini like abancokolaye as friends akho kuflat akho ntoni yabo sharp ndathola and I understand along. There's this one time endafonela a friend yam ndikhala because he wanted me to remove pictures that I posted on Facebook. Ba sisesa pictures awuzibona ba unxibe njani phana no ndafonela chomi yam khala nenchomi yam yabuza chomi are you being abused kule relationship okanye what's happening. That said ba no akafuni nxiba into ethile nethile akafuni ndihambe nomuntu othile.
Oh wow.
See so mna kula relate and izinto wayesiqhubekeke senza ize like if yena uyafuna uyenza into ne uzawuyenza but ngendlela right but if mna I want to do something then andizukwazi uyenza and that's it.
Abusive.
So kula relationship ndavele ndahila ngondi kula relationship wathi angicenga sithi into ndabe ndizixelela no, I'm done, like I'm really done. So ayonto yoba mhlawumbi ndathi ndisasandophuma phana ndabe mhlawumbi bendinomnye umntu na, it wasn't that. So I think ngamanye amaxesha xa
You can take a break while
you
in
can
a
take a
relationship.
break. Not about
Okay.
you can take a break, but you can heal. Ngoku
Okay.
relationship,
Okay.
ugrieve ugqibe ngoku relationship,
Okay.
move on, then ungene kwenye relationship.
So-
So
Right.
so inyala way yoba kuthiwa amacheri they actually move on while bejola nayo.
Yeah,
Yes.
very.
So I once read way ethi umgo wamachita namacheri awufani ne
Yeah.
because amacheri bayagowa in a relationship ne. Ithi phela relationship ba grand bona. And then owethi thina umjolo ulanda kumgowo uqala awuphela
ayiphelile
umjolo and then
relationship.
yeah.
Yes.
So it's true.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
I think it's true.
You guys are scientists, eh?
Well, for me, I've never really been in a toxic. I've been in a toxic relationship,
Yeah.
an abusive relationship, but I'm not proud to say this thing, and nobody knows. I've never spoke about it. But in that relationship, in all of my toxic or abusive relationship, I was the abusive partner. That is not funny. I was the abusive one. I'm really not proud of that. Not actually. I've never been involved in a fight with intombazana. Once intombazana raise a voice in the puma but when it comes to indoda chomi, I don't know. Engathi ndipossessed. Uyabona mna uAndrew had afro. Uyabona la afro like ndandibuya isandla sigcwele inwele. And abe nomsindo to an extent ndibone lo muntu lo angandibetha cha woyika lanto ba undibetha kwakhe ndiyafa nje it's shy uyabo
but why is it
yo
normalized?
chomi andiyazi bayayintoni.
Why is it normalized that okay I don't want to put it in a way that you guys get away with it, but why is it normalized that you guys can sit and have these types of conversations nihleke nohleka ngazo but Tina we can't?
Hey chomi, I don't know.
I
Hey,
think lento yoba thina sicimba mhlambi sizayibeka kanjani na,
it's okay umkhwaba nje impame soft
like sine feelings
I don't know,
isodwa.
but mna ndikho proud because mna nandibetha into serious mna like nandibetha into serious and ndithi xa ndizibuza uba ndiqonda uba this guy would have umuntu andibetha ndibulale ngendlela endandikubetha ngayo like ndandikwazi mna uJonathan yo ndimbetha phambi kwe-traffic cops chomi like ndimbetha and ayingomlungu yena ndimbetha bebomvu. I'm really not proud. I'm really not proud, and it as a relationship is toxic. That's why it's so easy now. Once you say no, even if on the wrong, once you start saying leave, now I leave. I don't wait for you to say the second leave, and it's not like it's not like I'm not sorry, but igamelithi leave ndilithatha serious kakhulu. If you are telling me to leave, I'm just gonna leave. Noba sister wam, noba uyichomi, I just prefer leaving because ngela xesha uAndrew ayisithi just leave my car. And I wouldn't leave his car instead in the bed. So ngoku andifuni ukuthi xa usithi leave ndingahambi because ukuhlala kwam apha will trigger either me or you, and one of us will get violent. Uyabo? So I was in a toxic relationship, and now I've always dated soft guys. Like abafana bangakwazi nothetha umuntu avela athule ngokumbethayo athule, and I'm really not proud of that. It makes me feel sad to an extent where I don't ever want to reach out to them. I don't want them to ever see me anyway, and ndifuna nje into ezobadibanisa nami because to them I was a horrible person. Obviously bane story esibi sokuthetha ngam because ndibabethile.
W men's though for
So when it comes to toxic did I heal after that? I never healed, but
into yohealer for like relationship xa usuka toxic relationship important because afunekanga uye ne-trust issues zakho ne-insecurities zakho kula relationship because izo affecta umntana abantu.
Yes.
Because kufuneka amane eziprova yena like kuwe ba like andiyenzi into ethile,
Yes.
like andinguye umuntu onje, and
Yes,
then uzawudinwa
okay.
ke ngoku naye ba na I can't do this anymore. Izaba ngake ngokwena utheni ungumuntu onamashwa kwi-relationships kanti uthatha amashwa ala relationship usuka kuwo uzowafaka kule i-relationship kuyo, and udibana nomuntu ke ngoku ukubone ongenaxesha laloo nto ezilalini ke yabo ezilalini udumile like ngothakatha
I wish we
yabo. I'm not sure mhlawumbi we have the same understanding witchcraft no yabo, but ubhuti bami would say into bana xa bephana like ehlathini like ebhomeni ne. Yeah. Look, I'm trying to explain.
I got
But
distracted.
yeah.
Distracted, sorry.
I'm trying to explain. Like would say ubhuti wami into bana if phana ungumuntu ongaqiniswanga ungumuntu enenhloko ethambileyo, then it's shy.
Oh my God.
Because abamama bayazungeza. Like bayabafuna shushu uve kuthiwa omnye uzive ngathi uyakhwazwa ukhwazwa ngumakazi bani uphuma kwakhe kuphelile ngaye kumka kwengqondo la kuphelile ngaye yabo.
Let it out.
Chomi, this is so sad.
Like umntana cousin wami mna owayemncinci saya naye ezilalini, wayengenanto, wayengumuntu right, but sathi sofika naye ezilalini wabanjwa yi-fever nje 2 days.
Oh my God.
Wabe kuphela kwakhe.
Oh no.
Damn.
So zininzi izinto endinozithetha
R.I.P.
about
Mels.
witchcraft.
Yo.
When I know like
Nandi, I
personal
believe
experience.
witchcraft is real, but and your target market. Like I know, guys.
So now you like
And,
like experience.
Personally,
Personal
ngaphandle
experience.
kweNachman. Ngaphandle kweNachman
Nachman,
ndinayo.
Yeah.
And but
Like,
I don't
It's real,
know. I
guys.
believe.
Like-
Yabona kule nto uthetha ngayo Chomi kule yaba xa beyongena phayana. I'm a twin. I have a twin brother.
Yeah.
So my twin brother had to go there. Oh Nkosi yami akafuni isibali sestory bakwenzeka ntoni pha. But anyways, twin brother wami wayongena phayana yebo sasiyongena kumama asiqhelanga kulo mama siyafika size nje uba ezokwenza lento azoyenza.
Yeah.
So ndandihleli naye ethontweni. And then after, and I really can't say much, shame.
Yeah.
Twin brother uyangcola kakhulu. He's very strict and we
Yeah.
had took. So what I'm gonna say kulendu uthetha ngayo is that like nandahlala after 4 days I had to go out because mama notatam abehlanga, my siblings abehlanga.
Yeah.
Ndim naye lo muntu and asiqhelanga apha. So akho mntu osiphekela singabakhwetha soyi-2. Akho mntu osiphekela, akho mntu othini. I had to ba ndibeka ityali phansi. Ndinxiba impahla zam ndihambe ndiyophekela twin brother wami. And each time ndimsela ukutya ethontweni wayengixelela uba Nandile ndiyaphuma nge-17. That time umakhulu uxelela ilali yonke uba umkhwetha uphuma nge-27. Wabe twin brother wami esithi ungathi ndithe. Ungathi ba ndithe kumama. Ungathi umkhwetha uthi but ndixelela wena nge-17 ndiyaphuma apha. Noba kukhona i-changes, noba kukhona ntoni nge-17 mina ndifuna ukuphuma apha. And I didn't know ba kwenzeka ntoni because yabona ebusuku phayana Chomi kwakuba kubi. Yabona kuyabhulisha naxa kufike amanye amadoda around like ayambhulisha nami ayambhulisha yabo.
So Jana.
Ndiyidyandi mina ndasokwa mna.
Washa.
Ndanxibe ublue ntonto.
Washa.
Uyabo, so bayabhulishana and kule nto ye-witchcraft I believe it's 100% because there are times apho bangabikho bonke kushekeni and ke ithonto lethu lalisehlathini phakathi bangabikho bonke sibe sithi soyi-2 and yazi iNachumani yam phayana ngoku ndandihlala phaya iNachumani yam yayinxiba isuti Chomi ndangayibona iNachumani yam yayinxiba isuti ndandiyibona itayi nesheti qha ingene endlini ifika indizungu. I'm not even joking.
Nandile.
I'm not even joking.
You need-
Ndangayibona inhloko uba ngubani but ndandibona uba ngubhuti onxiba isuti. So ndaqala ndihamba
Like
mna.
truck.
And go brother wami andiyazi njengoba esithi ndifuna uhamba nge-17. What if nayo iyazunywa yile nto? Because yile nto ivelize xa sisithi soyi-2. So ndahamba ke mnake. So I believe ku-witchcraft mna but and your target market akho mntu ocinga ukundiloya because mhlawumbi bayandibona ndinamali. So
Yeah.
your target market emagqwirheni.
Oh, yeah.
But
you
witchcraft is real.
Ipmal, you said it's a billionaire's wife.
The
wife.
billionaire's wife. No,
Yeah.
my husband is a billionaire, but I'm not a billionaire yet.
Yet.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah.
that.
There's me without my husband, and there's me with
With
my
the
husband.
husband.
With my husband, I'm the billionaire's wife. But without my husband, I'm just Nandile M.
Washa. Yeah, I get you, man. I get you. W billionaire.
Yeah.
So billionaire, yenza billionaire life in.
A billionaire life in there.
Excuse me.
Cela abantu indaba zabo.
Hi.
No comment. I think so unblock actually. I think so unblock.
No problem.
You look
no
cool.
problem.
You sound
Thank
cool.
you,
She's so
thank
smart.
you.
Yeah.
Like she's so smart. Like
Yeah.
like she's so brave. You're so smart.
Shame.
Like you are someone that I can have a conversation with because like you think outside the box. Like
Ne?
you're so open minded.
Xa ngijongile ngathi ngumntana.
Yeah.
Oh shame. Oh shame. How old are you?
Sabana 22 nge1 kaJuly.
What?
Whoa.
Says about 22. The fuck?
Yeah, I don't do.
What happened? What
On the
happened?
stage.
Confused. What
What a
happened?
nice visit.
What-
Asa.
what
That
happened?
is Asa, by the way.
Oh, hi.
Pretty
Hi.
single lady.
Hi.
Hi, Asa. How are you?
Hi. Ngula salute ngala.
Amas,
Oh, I saw her
you've never seen her before.
Jive pagu
I
TikTok.
think you like her moves because this is not the first time you touching
Like
on her
why?
moves.
Like why ungumlen faka she's a DJ, right? Like I'm asking. I'm asking. Eh? I know, like why ungumlen faka asa guys? Like ningavuya ngicela like come out in public and say
Like you
Uziva njani
abantu
wena
abanosuke bakhethe umuntu nje mhlawumbe
Nah,
sentakhethe
uziva njani?
umnandi
Yeah.
no iminati usuke kutheni why wena bezokufaka ku-asa
I don't know.
abakwazi usuke bakufake ku-asa
That's the question I'm asking. But you know what's the hype behind that, guys? I don't know.
It's fun, Sha.
I otherwise moving on. Thank you to whoever came up. Polly, I can't pronounce the name. Polly Grafendonton.
Polygamist.
Yes, that's the word I was looking for. What?
Oh, the new Netflix movie.
Yeah, yes. I don't know. But
Nah, man,
what's what's going on there? So you bugan?
Yes, I have.
Is it?
So roughly
glad.
like just like to top J.
Ngutata
just to
nje
preface.
oyi narcissist. Ofebayo ngenahayi.
Bebizwe.
Ubhebhi sendelezwe.
Yo.
Yeah, shame like
So what's
ngumuntu nje opreprizelayo.
Is it a series or a movie?
It's a series.
It's a series.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a
So
series.
so
What
it's a
does Gugu do there? What's her role? Because andikakayibukeli shem.
Ungumfazi kabhebhizwe.
Oh.
And ke ngoku zonke ezanto ezenziwa ngubhebhizwe zibuyele kuye because khona le side chick ka Jonas ne iye yamitha i-twins
Banu Jonas.
like lo bhebhizwe.
Oh, okay.
Uye yamitha i-twins ne then njengoba mithe i-twins ke
Are you
ngoku.
spoiling the thingy for us now?
Oh sorry guys kaloku mna bengicima nifuna
I just touched the top J bayingaloni but it's about umuntu ozohamba izuma is that it?
Ikhona bithethwa gqithi ku-Facebook uba uGugu Gumede didn't like role. Oh, khangathi didn't like. But abantu they are talking about there are roles where she has to act abe engazithandi ene role ayipreferishayo and considering that umncinci yabo but uloko ekuthiswa i-roles zabantu abadala apha zabangumama apha zabangu-aunt. So my chat is which one is better than u-actiswa uba ngu-auntie than ukuhlala ekhaya ungasebenzi because there are people abafundele uba kwi-media
But they don't
bafunda
get the role.
but still can't get jobs. Khona abantu abane dream yokuba on the screen but they still can't get jobs. And I don't think uGugu ngoko bethetha lonto ebe complain ba okay I'm asking for help. Ebe say isitsho nje ba in the industry ikhona into ba wena ufune le i-role but you get
Ufumane
offered
enye.
le i-role
Yeah.
because yiyo available and yiyo ababona ngathi wena perfect kuyo. She was not complaining and I believe that kuzo zonke actresses okanye actors if you could ask them one by one umuntu angathi ba mna if it was up to me I would be acting this role but I
Yeah.
was given this role so I don't think it should be an issue about ungathi uyo discuss ku social media saying fatphobia because ngoku sewusithi discriminate and xa sesithi udiscriminate lo muntu you are making it look like or sound like we have something against your weight we have something against you it's not about you this
Yeah.
role needs this person you have a choice to take it or to leave it. We are giving you this offer. You can simply decline it if you feel like we are discriminating you. We're gonna take someone else. You are acting. That is not you. We are Zazu Nandile Machaya. You are 21 years old. This is not you. And you have a platform to actually tell people that okay, ndim ngubani, and nabo bayaveza your real names. So I don't think it's an issue about we discuss it because at the end of the day you are employed.
Yeah.
I finally my coach
Yeah.
this is a giant of laziness because
Yeah,
this is for many misebenzi. You are working, you are at work. Khona abantu abangenamisebenzi abawufuna lo msebenzi wakho, you are complaining about bakufaka irole inengo. Uyazazi it's not going to change your age at the end of the day.
Yazi.
So yeah, that's my chat with.
To touch basically with Tita, I once saw an interview le Grootman la le Buddha. I just forgot his name now. Lo be actors Jason good generations.
Lona threats.
Uzola,
Yeah,
Zolisa Kaluva. I think it's Zolisa.
Yeah, that's Zugisa Grootman, yeah, W Grootman. But I once heard Ilanduka how he got Ilanduka the role, yabo. So Utumshita he was an actor most night doing acting and then but he was doing it like on a smaller scale, right? And then the guy that was writing for Generations at the time, Matibala Glo said yabo. And then he was like, whenever you have time, he's on Bona like at like office in Yam, yabo. And then Umchita was after that, and then Wayanyan born, and then he was like, I have a role for you, yabo. You have to play a gay guy, yabo. And then Umchita,
Oh, I saw that.
yeah, and then he was like, he doesn't know about like being a
Yo,
Grootman.
the way he nailed it.
Yeah, because now Usho after the role, he actually saved like a career, like he actually like put him on just for playing that role, yeah.
Oh,
So
imagine. It puts you on at some point.
Get out of your comfort zone.
exactly,
It puts you out there.
Yeah.
exactly.
Look at the positive side. Mtomnyama. Ko yeke uloku ufuna ukucomplaina when uyasizelwa, uyalamba, uyabhulishwa. If uyangcoliswa ngumphathi wakho emsebenzini wena uyabhulishwa uphetheke kabuhlungu ufuna uyokuzela. Just mize it. Because at the end of the day you're going to spend your money. You can pay your bills. That's what matters. Urhulumente wethu akanakaka nathi at this point. So if you get offered umsebenzi, take it. Bayeke bakuphathe ngalendlela bakuphatha ngayo ufike endlini uzispoile ngemali yabo. We move on.
Yes,
Otherwise uzofulambile. Andisebenzi, that's why ndithetha kanje. That's why I prioritize employment.
But
Umuntu onomsebenzi
comes
ugcina.
first.
Then
I don't-
leave the job. Suhlala lapho ngonwabanga khona. You can't be complaining but you are still there.
I don't support the way you're being in a workplace. Ungekho happy kuyo.
Leave, Chomi.
Fuck the unemployment rate.
Yeah, yes, leave Chomi.
Leave.
Leave.
Ucho.
Nditsho mna ndithi leave.
But
Okay.
ke ngoku-
Leave. It's
Mhlawumbi
either you leave
masithi-
or you stay.
masithi ke ngoku uyayazi ba like ujonge kuwe akekho omnye umuntu ozokunceda. Yabo.
Iginyi rhara. Oh. It's either that guys kusemhlabeni apha. If aniyazi kusemhlabeni apha. It's either uginyi rhara okanye uyiginyi. That's it. Because ababantu la production yeyabo. Abazuthatha rules zakho. Abazukwenza wena ufeel comfortable. Bakunika rules. It's either ulandela rules zabo okanye uyayeka.
Yeah.
But
Ujonge ku 350. That's that unfortunately.
okay.
Now phina umsebenzi is just that, and the only thing sizo complain and ndiyayazi nale bazoyicomplainela bakwazi uhlale sizo complain at the end of the day baziqalele. For instance, let's say i-populous charts yeka Bhutzolani, let's say, and then uBhutzolani uthi ba apha ku-populous charts ninxiba ii-flops aninxiba iiteki and siyagodola kusebusika. Ndizothini mna nandile ndiyava inyawo zami ziyagodola ndiyayeka ndiyagoduka instead oba ndihlale apha ndicomplaine uba sinxiba ii-flops sinxiba. It's not like uBhutzolani uzothi yeka ninxiba ii-flops. Uthi uBhutzolani ufuna ii-flops
And ngumthetho wakhe lo.
umthetho wakhe and
so-
akhopho singomangela khona uba siyeke it's either uyagoduka unye uyahlala
So uyasiqhela uBhutzolani.
uyasiqhela but akho nto soyenza.
Yeah.
But anyways guys, youth day ngomso eish nkosi yami ndingumama umuntu ongumama youth
Ongumama? Have a child?
ndingumama.
Bangapi?
One.
Oh shit. Oh, I didn't know what I'm done.
You are so lucky Chomi.
Yeah.
Phofu nami ndilike though.
Like
Ndilike Chomi.
so zokwenzani
Ndiyazazi uba ndiyakwazi uzala.
Zokwenzani? Zokwenza akho ndizoyenza. Probably ndizothatha iclient ndibe phezu kweclient hloko yo.
Oh, kane you
Imini
do
yona.
great.
Oh,
So,
shit.
yeah.
Oh,
You do
Akhona
braids and
endizayo.
what?
so wenza inhloko.
Braids only. Okwangoku.
Yeah, this is your chance to
No
promote. Tell us what do you do
Ndisa-
in life in.
Yo.
This is a chance.
Oh, guys ndenza i-braids i-knotless and ndizenza kakuhle ke shem suzusole ngicela niphe abantu beni imali bazokwenza kuma inhloko
For
Malini.
Youth Day, imali ye-June 16.
yaxhomekeka shem uba ufune yiphi but noko
So for the youth, no, that's special that's going on.
hayi mntu asekhaya nasi special
Aye.
kunzima kakubi for babe
Asizi.
special
Asizi.
it's fine noba ningangazi nina but bakhona
Hayi,
abazawuza
bazoza.
xa ungeyiyo
Amadoda athatha
i-target
serious
ntonto.
ama-cherry abo, bazoza.
Man.
So when I was having a youth day, moms.
Get ready, mama, prepare for your freedom. I don't know. Unemployment. I have to sit at home and work and make sure that I work.
So
Ndiyakha ndinombhazalala wehouse ojonge mna ekhaya. So nje ixesha elinintsi funeka ndihlale ndisefowunini ndenze imali.
you guys are trying to phone. That's scam.
No, ndithengisa iinudes zam, ndenza
See what I did there?
ii-promotions.
Yeah.
I sell
Promotions.
my nudes, ndenza
You
ii-promotions,
sell your nudes?
promote ii-nudes zabantu.
Yeah, man. Don't move fast. You sell the nudes. How much?
Sometimes $200.
$200.
Kaloku mna andinaa-caves nentona, I can't charge ngathi ngoku ndine-BBL on stuff. Ndingunandile nje ozibhityeleyo, so I'm just gonna go easy. $200, $150. Yabo?
Like as in dollars. So imagine $150.
Hayi andizithengisa eSouth Africa.
Oh, thing is good. I saw target market.
No.
Oh,
no,
shit.
no.
Kapite
Those
kwami
are
bese
in South
kufutshane.
Africa.
Yo.
And I don't always get clients, so nje I'm
Ne.
always glued on my phone. Kwamali endibanayo, phosa savings in month end, ndisendele umama. But I'm almost done, Chomi. I'm almost done. I'm almost there.
Double unandile. So
But
Senzokuxhoma
sekela
ngoku
kuwe
ne-right.
wayicinga into omhlawumbi ufunde i-skill esithile
Chomi ndifundile.
like no besides like yabo ufunda i-skill esithile mhlawumbi kwenza i-nails lashes
I
just for
can do
extra
lashes, I
cash.
can do inwele. But I feel like mna ndiko business minded. Because bendijoyine u-FST ngoku, ndastoka, zathengwa ngoku in a day ithi zam zonke zathengwa. Ndayitya imali ndahlala. Abantu basandibhalela.
Yo.
We want to join. And yes, man, I feel like at some point ukhona uSathana. And futhi I feel like stepmothers katata.
So chola abantu
the fuck.
Okay,
Utyhola
it's
abantu.
fine. Colo uyikhathe bhuti msaye.
But yeah, man, like
Colo
the
uyikhathe.
but the actual question was, despite Bawuzokwenzani
Yeah.
on your day.
Andizukwenza ntom. I was
So
just
what
working.
does it mean to you? Okay, Bawuzokwenzani, but what does it mean? Youth Day. Okay, let's say now it's 16 June.
Mna it reminds indlela esingamaqhawe ngayo, how brave we are, because at the end of the day sibancinci sibangaka asinamisebenzi, we have settled jobs, but simanagile ukukhipha umphefumulo udibene nenyama. Do you know how many people failed to do that?
Yeah.
Abantu abangakwazanga uzigcina bephila, who ended up dying bengekafuni, abantu abahlulwe impilo, but thina umphefumulo usadibene nenyama. I feel like you are so brave, you are so smart, I feel like you are so strong as a youth. Abanye banabo nabazali, but they still noba utyando noba uphangele noba as long as ukwazi uthi breathe in and out, that's a big thing they have done.
Yeah.
W.
Like you are so
I think it actually reminds us about okay how important youth it is like up in South Africa. Yeah, but because I don't think and yes man how to explain this ne. But I think yes fuselela nathi but okay I want to do better because like as much as izinto mhlawumbe zingenzeki mhlawumbe ngendlela thina esifuna zenzeke ngayo ne but uzawuthi wayicinga ba there's youth day yabo ucimba mhlawumbe ibe ngasibe khona lento ndifuna uyenza just to balamini ingahambi nje ananto bendenza sense na right now like I'm trying to make sense but andiyazi ba denza sense na.
Yeah, it makes
Yeah.
sense. As a that just popped in my head. Was busy the way. Like Youth Day, is it not to separate like a Makala or anything,
Yeah.
but it looks like, in my experience, city like Abanabamnyama that celebrate Youth Day the most.
obvious.
Yeah.
Sithi abantu abedutyulwa mos.
So it's for us.
Yes, abantu abamnyama. Amandiya bananto yokwenza no youth day baphila kamandi abantu emizini. Sithi abantu abasencancathekiso ezikolweni sifunda kabuhlungu.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Pafan Kosho.
oh my India, what did the Indians do, bro? Scotch Ray. The fuck? What did the Indians do? But yeah, it's crazy. What to think about it? I've never thought of it that way. But it's only for us.
I think it's just for us.
Ne? Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yenza sense nalendlela ithetha ngayo but it's only for us because singabantu abamnyama abantu ababe semzabalazini. Yeah.
Yes.
Ah, I get
Makes
you,
sense.
man.
But anyway, singavalani ngoku.
Yeah, what's next? What's next for us? Besides, we're doing most event as well. The doing event most what's the date? Double check the date. The 27.
Nyan?
Yeah, there's an event that's happening in Strand at 27.
Ngixolela ubhuti.
Yeah, it's only for exclusives.
Oh.
Tinabo MCs or DJ.
Oh.
I'm a DJ now. DJ Ali.
Ten kululu uba ngu-DJ.
Yeah?
Like ku-10 kululu uba ngu-DJ.
Ali, I thought I'm not a DJ.
Like no, like nje it's a question like why wonke umuntu xa ezive ngathi mhlawumbi kukhona apha bethe kakhona vele azive ngathi ufuna uba ngu-DJ.
But I
No.
don't think kulula chomi because ungangena stage i-crowd ithi cwaka. I think kwawena funeka kube ne-backup strong yabo. And funeka kwazi uDJ kanje because mina xa nobekwa ngoku anoyazi uba ndicofa apha ndithini. I would still need i-training. I would still need to know and nabantu funeka bathi get to use to my play yabo. Because ndingangena bandidlale abantu bathi cwaka. So I don't think
Yeah.
it's really that easy, but I feel like abantu nje bayayithanda
I think umuntu uvela abona uba mhlawumbi ingathi kulula ibe i-option like ingathi yinto elula like umuntu avela ayicinge ba okay mhlawumbi noba xa ndinoba ngu-DJ mhlawumbi
ifana ne-marketing chom.
You
Everyone does that now.
Nandile, she jumped quick when we talked about a DJ.
Why?
Like, do you
no bhuti wam no
know what?
le question uyibuzayo andinanto ndihlanganise no-DJ ndadibanisa no-DJ uDJ adimazi bhuti wam
Awungo-DJ wena.
andingu-DJ
Awu
bhuti wam
DJ.
andi-DJ
Anyway.
bhuti wam no
You've never DJ'd anyway.
awesome
No experience with a DJ or something like that.
DJ yoqala
Let's just
I see.
uyadj chom.
Uba mna? La I wish tamsa akafuna umfundisa nje uba ngo-DJ udala ndithetha le nto. But
I
no,
said
I'm not a
sitsho
DJ.
uDJ in general. DJ ke ngoku.
What other
uDJ
DJs?
okunnormal.
What other DJs there? Text? Hip hop?
uDJ.
hayi sure.
Masiyeke slow. It's fine guys.
Yeah, let's let it go.
That is it for today. Hope you guys are good because I'm fabulous.
Yeah, man. We close it off
yeah.
on that note. Otherwise, bekumnandi balapha. Thank you, Nandile, man, for your hospitality and questions and uncensored answers and
Yeah.
questions. We appreciate you.
Shembe ngicima nzaba but hayi ndenze nda comfortable like
And you're so
Ne?
smart.
ndingumuntu othethayo like ndingumuntu othethayo a lot qha ndiba shy nervous yonke laa nto engasemqaleni yeah and ndingumuntu ozibalelayo most of the time
This is the first time doing podcast.
yeah
You did
first
well.
time yeah
Thank
this
you.
gonna be your first time.
Episode
of
balo?
many
Episode 8. episode 9. Episode 39. Episode 39.
yintoni
Yeah.
siye wandibuza ngo-DJ
Ngicela nipusha yabantu.
Jumpile nje. You jumped into it with DJ.
no ingxaki
Why you
bendifuna
stuck kuloo nto wena?
ukubuza.
Chomi ndithanda uba ushayi shem.
Yeah.
Hayi bemfuna ubuza no bemfuna ubuza nje ingxaki yinto that has been on my mind qha ba like why
ubone
umuntu
bani wena umjongo uthi hayi wena kodwa ikaka luyenzayo.
hayi masiyeke bhuti wam
Oh, I see.
masiyeke
Okay
Close
guys.
it off on that note.
Okay rockers. We are closing it off. We are closing it off. Bekumanje banani siya. Hope you guys are good today. Hope you fine. Bekumanje banani guys.
Nigga.
Yeah.
Please ningalibali ukuya ku-website ye-Populous Chat nithenge izikipa zenu, your cap, your text. Ubundibonisa? Sayibona after the show. Ningalibali uthenga i-Track Citizen. I can't wait to go and see Kusiya if they are still fine. The boys are